Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and immediate fixes. First, confirm your channel meets 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is non-negotiable. Next, open the Monetization tab and make sure AdSense is linked with the exact email and payment profile. Mismatches cause Step 2 errors. Once done, enable two-step verification on your Google account to meet security requirements and prevent automated flags. This combination addresses most authors. You now dig into detailed middle steps to resolve persistent Step 2 errors. Inspect your channel for any policy strikes or unresolved copyright claims because those block monetization. Resolve or appeal where appropriate. Then scrutinize your AdSense account for identity verification, suspensions, or payment holds. Fix missing documents or inaccurate tax forms because YouTube reads both systems together. Finally, audit video metadata and monetization settings to ensure nothing is classified as misleading or reused, which triggers additional review delays. You finish by completing final actions and knowing what to do if things still fail. After implementing fixes, resubmit the monetization application and be patient. Reviews often take 2 to 4 weeks. If the error persists, file an appeal using the Help Center form and include concise evidence, screenshots, policy references, and timestamps to speed judgment. If that still fails, escalate to creator support or reach out publicly via YouTube or Twitter with your channel ID. This often triggers a human recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.